Thailand and I'm taking a motorcycle taxi ride. Motorcycle taxi rides are everyday events for thousands upon thousands of people in Thailand. And in Bangkok, when the traffic is heavy, which is most of the time, it's usually the fastest way to get anywhere. Motorcycle taxi riders in Bangkok, they have a tough job. They're forever dicing with some of the roughest traffic in all of Asia. But they do it with skill, with good cheer, and with a level of ability that has to be seen and has to be experienced to be understood. They have to do everything in a hurry. Their customers are in a hurry, traffic is hellish, and the more customers they manage to deal with on a day-to-day basis, the better their income. An average ride might only be 3 or 4 minutes, but for that they will be paid less than $1. Motorcycles they ride are small, they're waif-like in their narrowness, and when the barriers to forward motion are as dense as this, you can see why. Then you can see why narrow, responsive, quick-moving machines are ideal. As you can understand, I'm holding on with one hand very tight. I once walked out onto this same street to see a foreigner picking himself up off the ground, bruised and bloodied, and more than a little dusty, and a little bit embarrassed too. He had just fallen off the back of a motorcycle taxi, having broken rule number 1. Always hold on. I would never ride a motorcycle in the West without a helmet, or without long trousers, or gloves, or solid shoes. And here I am, wearing slippers, a t-shirt, short trousers, and no helmet. Fortunate that today is not in rainy season. During the rainy season, sometimes Bangkok can get 2 inches of rain in an hour. Then traffic just gets even more dense, even more dangerous, and all the more interesting to ride motorcycle taxis in. I've taken over a ride of under 10 minutes, but in a car or in a regular taxi it would have taken easily 25 or 30 minutes, and at the moment traffic is not all that heavy, believe it or not. And here we are home. My trusty rider has brought me home in one piece yet again. I'll have to thank him. There he is. Thank you. Kopung Krab.